Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Ford Falcon XR6 sedan, stock reference number 4432. This shape runs from the 4th month 2008 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a 4-litre 6-cylinder Barra petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 4-litre 6-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, XR6 type grille, XR6 SG front bumper bar, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent. We have the left hand side skirt, left rear, 2 small dents on the left rear door. Left hand tail light, boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior with blue XR embroidering on the seat. Leather console, auto type, automatic gear shifter. CD player, display screen, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.